steel hue. They walked it down, but deep inside, a spoonful of stars had survived. A breath of life in the back still stayed, waiting quiet in the shade. Mr. Producer stacked his records in, said safe from dust, no mice get in. Closed the door and turned away. That night the sky forgot to pray. Boat cracked through the rainless dark, hit that barn and left a mark. Now it hums with a secret spark, a light inside that leaves no mark. Back in the kitchen, it seemed the same. No glow, no sound, no one to blame. But film it once and you'll see clear. Something's moving when you're not near. It never shows when you're in the room, but the footage blooms with a neon tune. Pink light rhythm, sugar